Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know you all have been probably wondering, where have I been? Well, I have started something new. Haven't been doing nails. As you can see here, this is my first year growing crops. And I couldn't grow it in my ground because we have this red clay stuff and nothing really grows in it. So I built these wooden boxes here, got the wood for free, and got some compost. And I just said, well, let me go ahead and try to grow some stuff. And wow, look at it, y'all. It has really taken off. This is my first year, and I'm loving this. This right here is cantaloupes. I got 3 different varieties. Don't ask me the names, I don't know them offhand. But as you can see, this is my first year, so I did not expect for them to take over like this. This is the cantaloupe here. So, and I actually have cantaloupes growing. Don't mind my shadow. It's early morning here in Southern Virginia. Let's see if I can show you guys one. There's one right there. Look at that. Can't wait to harvest. I got some cilantro here. Like I said, this is my first year growing, and I did not know that cilantro does not like heat. So I believe it's starting to what they call bolt, where it starts to produce flowers and then the seeds turns into coriander. But I believe some of these are still good. I love cilantro. We got, oh, by the way, this is a little garden tour. It's gonna be a minute. So I got some sweet corn here. I got some Swiss chard. Never had that before. And all this stuff here I've grown from seeds. And these here are Brussels sprouts, which I was also told they don't like the heat either. So I don't know if these are going to do anything for me this year. And over here we got zucchini. I just planted these a few weeks ago. I don't have any flowers yet, but I swear these things took off. So we got some zucchini growing. And I just planted some, what is it? Cabbage. So this whole one here should be nothing but cabbage, hopefully. Right here is my pomegranate tree, lost in the weeds. I got to see about replanting that. Then we got some lima beans growing right here. Lima beans. First year growing all this stuff, so. And my squash, oh my goodness, my squash is really, really producing. I got to get out here and look at that. Oh my. I got to get out here, prune some of these leaves back. I got to do some harvesting. Look, we got a pollinator. Oh, look at there. Uh-oh, camera's not focusing good. And my watermelon. This watermelon, it struggled when we first planted them. I planted like 10 of them. And I think maybe only 5 of them made it. And they took off. Look at this. Like, wow. Woo. We got the pollinators at work this morning. Yes, indeed. So, this right here has been my new hobby, ladies. Actually trying to be more self-sufficient. You know, these stores are selling this stuff. It's got chemicals in it. And look at the corn. I got sweet corn growing. Check that out. Look at these ears. First time. Like, and I hope to get better and better. We got a good insect right there. We need those. That's a good one. So, and I just planted some zinnias in here. Waiting for those to come up to help my pollinators get some more flowers out here. This one here, I planted some strawberry, store-bought strawberries. I cut them and just planted the strawberries in here. So I'm hoping next spring this will be filled up with strawberries. That's what I'm hoping for. So then I got the grapevine going here, which the June bugs have been attacking, and I don't know what this discoloration is. Oh, look at my little insects. Those are good insects. I got some screen beans growing, planted throughout. This is daylily. Both of these are daylilies. I think it's called Once in a Lifetime. Got some more screen beans over here. Another grapevine trying to grow. That is I think it's called a blue bearded iris, I want to say. Yeah. And then I have some radishes. I believe these are champion radishes growing in a fabric container. Got some tomatoes. Now these tomatoes are the only thing that has been store-bought, okay, in my garden. I bought these from the Home Depot, and I don't know what's going on. If anybody knows, let me know. But see how this is, I don't know what's going on. And don't see any tomatoes growing yet. Oh, wait a minute. Did I speak too soon? What is that? I think I might see a little. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, well, we might get something after all. I got some more screen beans, which I still haven't gotten a screen bean yet. I don't know what's taking so long. Like I said, all this stuff been planted from seed except for those tomatoes right there. These onions. Now, I planted these back in, I believe, February or March. And it's still hard. Some, you know, I was looking at videos and they said if it's soft, then it's ready to be harvested, or if these leaves here bend over, they're ready. And they're not bending over, and they're not soft, but they don't look very big either, so I don't know. But first time growing all this stuff here. Look at these jalapenos. I mean, I have boatloads of them. Oh, down in here. Oh, look at this one. It's a nice one right there. So I'm going to do some harvesting. And I'll let you guys see what I harvest this morning. We got here These are cucumbers. I got a few of those that are ready to be harvested. Check those out. I'm so proud to grow my own vegetables. I got some fruit trees too. Let me go ahead and get to harvesting. All right, so let me show you guys. Now this one right here, I should have probably been harvested, but look at this sucker right here. Check that out. I mean, this is huge. Bountiful, I'm telling you, summer squash. And then look at the pollinators, boy, they busy at work. I mean, they are all out here. So I'm gonna trim up some of these leaves, and I was told that these leaves are edible, but I'll probably give them to my chickens. I have chickens also. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish harvesting this, and I'm gonna get rid of some of these leaves so it can breathe and the pollinators can get to these flowers so we can have more squash. All right, so here she is, my squash plants after I have trimmed a lot of the leaves off. Rest assured, they are not going to die. I've done this a couple of times before this summer, and see how it's opened up now, more light, more air. Easier for my pollinators to get to them. And believe me, within a week, it'll be filled back up again with leaves. These are all the leaves down here. I'm gonna give some of them to my chickens, and I'm gonna put them in my compost pile. Good compost. Just want to show you guys my harvest this morning. Check these suckers out. I mean, if I had a scale out here, this is probably a good 2 pounds. I mean, huge. And look at, and these are my very first harvest of what are these things? Cucumbers. Oh, I'm gonna make me some fresh cucumber salad. I want to pickle some. I got to look at some videos on how to pickling. And my fresh chicken eggs. Yes, thank you, God. He has blessed us this morning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, I'll be seeing y'all.